Hi guys, myself Shekhar. I am from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today, let us discuss about the topic random variables. In random variables, we can see the introduction part. In introduction, a random variable is a variable that takes on different values based on the outcome of a random event. Random variables are used to model uncertain or unpredictable quantities in various fields like statistics, probability, theory, and finance. They can be discrete or continuous depending on the nature of the possible outcomes. Discrete random variables. In this, discrete random variables can only take on a finite or countably infinite number of possible values. Examples of discrete random variables include the number of heads in multiple coin tosses or the number of cars passing through a toll booth in a given time interval. The probability distribution of discrete random variable can be represented by a probability mass function, we shortly called as PMF, probability mass function. In next, continuous random variable. In this, continuous random variables can take on any value within a certain range of interval. Examples of continuous random variables include the height of individuals in a population or the time it takes for a computer to process a task. The probability distribution of a continuous random variable can be represented by a probability density function PDF. Probability distribution function. In probability mass function is used for discrete random variables and gives the probability of each possible outcome. Probability density function is used for continuous random variables and represents the relative likelihood of different values occurring. Both PMF and PDF must satisfy certain properties such as non-negativity and the total probability or area under the curve equaling 1. Expectation and variance. The expectation or mean of random variable represents the average value it is expected to take on over multiple trials. Variance measures the spread or variability of a random variable's values around its mean. Expectation and variance provide important summary statistics that help understand the characteristics of random variables. Common distribution discrete. Some common discrete random variable distributions include the Bernoulli distribution, binomial distribution, and Poisson distribution. The Bernoulli distribution models a single trial with two possible outcomes, typically denoted as success and failure. The binomial distribution models the number of unsuccess. The number of successes in a fixed number of independent Bernoulli trials. Common distributions continuous. The common continuous random variable distributions include the uniform distribution, normal distribution, and exponential distribution. The uniform distribution represents a constant probability density over a specified interval. The normal distribution, also known as Gaussian distribution, is widely used due to its symmetry and the central limit theorem. Central limit theorem. The central limit theorem states that sum or average of a large number of independent and identically distributed random variables will approximately follow a normal distribution. This theorem is of fundamental importance in statistics and allows for the use of normal distribution approximations in many practical applications. It explains why many natural phenomena tend to be normally distributed. Applications of random variables. Random variables are extensively used in statistical analysis, hypothesis testing, and decision making processes. They play a crucial role in modeling and simulating real world phenomena in various fields like finance, engineering, and biology. Random variables are also used in the development and evaluation of mathematical models for predicting future outcomes. We can see the conclusion of this topic. Random variables provide a mathematical framework for dealing with uncertainty and variability. Understanding random variables is essential for statistical inference, data analysis, and making informed decisions. But by studying random variables, we gain valuable insights into the behavior and characteristics of random events and their outcomes. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.